In this video, you're going to learn how to disqualify leads by zip codes in HighLevel survey. Hey there, my name is Kerry. In this particular video, I'm going to answer that question by addressing these three questions. How to create a survey in HighLevel. Number two, how to create a custom field in HighLevel. And number three, how to set up the action you want to take depending on what zip code is actually chosen. So I'm going to hop out of here and into my demo account. Inside my demo account here, we're going to go into Sites from the dashboard. Then we're going to go to Surveys, click on Builder. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click on Add Survey. You can start from scratch or you can use a template. I like to start from scratch. From here, you're going to need to add a few fields, of course. Specifically, my guess is you're going to want to add like name, address, etc. So how we're going to do that is we're going to click the plus button here and we're going to use quick add full name. We're going to add address, city, state, and then instead of postal code here, we're actually going to create a custom field for it. Because if we use postal code here like this, and then we click on it, all we can do is require it. We can't actually do anything beyond requiring it. So this isn't going to work for disqualifying leads based on zip codes from a survey. So we're going to actually have to click on custom fields, and then we're going to have to click add, and then we're going to create a drop down, single, not multiple, because they can only choose one. Or you could do a radio select. It's totally up to you. But if you're going to have a ton of zip codes available, I would do a drop down single to save space on the form. And then that's fine. We want select option, click next, then give it a name. In this case, we'll call it zip code test. Just do that for now. And then we can put it under any object, either contact or opportunity. Probably contact. The group is either going to be contact, general info, or additional info. We'll put it under general info. And then what we would do is we'd add all the zip codes. In this case, I'm just going to call it, 5 digits, 000. Then the next one's going to be 0001. Then the next one's going to be 0002, so forth and so on. Now, of course, these are just fictitious made-up zip codes. You would probably put in the actual zip codes that you wanted to have in a specific area that would qualify or disqualify based on whichever you decide, right? So you might have all these zip codes for a specific city or county or area, and then you decide that you want to disqualify anyone who chooses 0000. All right, so we'll click save on this to create this field. And now what we're going to do is we're going to expand this. We're going to pick our zip code test. We're going to drop it in over here. Then we're going to click on it. And then we can see on the right hand side there, I'll move myself out of the way. We can require it. And then we have the different logic based on the different values. Now we only put 3 in. You can put as many as you want or as few as you want. Then under like 00000, 5 zeros, we can say disqualify after submit or disqualify immediately, depending on what you decide your criteria is for the reason that you'd want to disqualify a zip code. So we could do after submit or immediately. So probably do it after submit. Then the other two, since we want to accept 0001 and 0002, we wouldn't do anything with those. However, if there was a multiple, if you didn't want to also include 0001, we could also disqualify after submit or disqualify immediately. Totally up to you. Once you've decided on that, then just click save. And then once you present the survey and they fill it in and they select the zip code, it will take the appropriate action and either qualify the person because they picked a qualifying zip code, or it'll disqualify a person because they did not pick a qualified zip code, right? So it disqualified them either immediately or after submit, depending on how you decide to set this up. But either way, you will need to create a custom field that has a list of all the zip codes that you want to have available in your survey in order to have it so that the logic will automatically disqualify if they pick the wrong zip code, or they pick the zip code that you are not allowing them to pick, essentially. So after that's all said and done, you're good to go. So I hope this helped answer this question for you. Let me know if you have any questions regarding it. Any further questions, I'll do my best to answer them for you. Just leave me a comment below this video and I'll answer it for you as quickly as possible. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest high-level bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the high-level bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my high-level bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my high-level insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines A.I, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for HighLevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes high-level masterclass for beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about high-level. You will also receive a high-level agency masterclass for beginners. So if you are on the $297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines AI, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines AI SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines AI actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines AI at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine, plus there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the A2P10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving Marketing Engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with HighLevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if HighLevel is not right for you, or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or HighLevel Insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my HighLevel link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try HighLevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for HighLevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with HighLevel, try it out, you can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of HighLevel starter agency plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, I'm sorry, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of HighLevel Pro SaaS plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have HighLevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the HighLevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including HighLevel Insiders. You can also upgrade to the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link. Or you can purchase or upgrade to the HighLevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the white label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to HighLevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting, and click on start a free trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my HighLevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you, depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with HighLevel inside of HighLevel Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.